Hello beautiful people, welcome to the kitchen. Today with me we'll be making grilled chicken and tomato sauce. Here is ingredients cut in chunks, but first of all we'll have to blend the ginger and the garlic. So we'll take a little from it and put in the meat to give it some flavor. Stay tuned. So now that we're done with the blending, we'll go ahead to put the rest of the ingredients in the meat. Teaspoon of curry powder, our thyme leaves, teaspoon of the thyme leaves, no seasoning cubes, two no seasoning cubes. You can break it and spread it if you want to, or you can just throw in the cubes of your seasoning. You can open it, so I don't want to put too much of it. And then already sliced onion. So while the chicken is on the fire boiling, we'll go ahead to steam our tomato together. The ingredients won't be much, just a little, to add more flavor to what I'm making. I'm just going to use 2 seasoning cubes for this. So now that we're done with the mixing, we'll take it straight to the oven. Now we'll wait for 45 minutes to bring it out of the oven. Our grilled chicken is ready. We'll bring it out and see how it goes. Over here is our grilled chicken. This is how it turned out.